Okay, this is the plumbing. That one is coming from the upstairs bathroom. They have a clean out, a long suite D goes all the way here. You have this hook. That's what they use. Hook. See, this is strap and all of that. Connects to the rod. The rod goes to the ceiling. Really strong. Not sure why it is here, but it's hitting it. Very tight stuff. That's what you use. Going up. Another ceiling flange. Ceiling flange is really nice. All of the drain goes here, right there. All of the drain goes there. And then the sump pump goes up there. And always have to have this U. This U is just built with a T, and there's a female adapter there with the plug. Female adapter with a plug goes down. Okay? This is really mine. I think this is mine. Simple. It's a clean out. See? That's a simple clean out. Then before it goes to the drain outside. Really nice. Nice and easy. All of it. And then all the plumbing just using a PEX. PEX scrub. See? PEX scrub. They're gonna have a meter here. PEX crimp, PEX crimp. There, there. Stay crimp. They're using 3/4, which is really good. You know, all of that. So that and the T goes there. It's still off. That's still off. So they're not using it yet. But it should be filled with water though. So nope, no water yet. That's my ductwork. But that's for the plumbing. The electrical, they're doing it like a mess. But that's right there. The plumbing, so strap, all of that. Okay?